Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Enapur. Let's learn parts of the body today. ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. Pronunciations of English letters throughout my lessons. Small n is pronounced as n as in number. Capital N is pronounced as n as in Ramayana. Small l is pronounced as l as in lucky. Capital L is pronounced as l. It's a unique character in Kannada. Small d is pronounced as the as in darshan. Capital D is pronounced as d as in dumb. A is pronounced as as in Amit, and double A is pronounced as A as in Arti. Let's start. Parts of the body. ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು. ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು. First, hair. Hair. ಕೂದಲು. ಕೂದಲು. Scalp. Scalp. ನೆತ್ತಿ. ನೆತ್ತಿ. Forehead. Forehead. ಹಣೆ. ಹಣೆ. Eyelid. Eyelid. ರೆಪ್ಪೆ. ಕಣ್ಣು ರೆಪ್ಪೆ. Eyes. Eyes. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಕೂದಲುಗಳು. ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಕೂದಲುಗಳು. Cheek. Cheek. ಕೆನ್ನೆ or ಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೆನ್ನೆ or ಗಲ್ಲ. Let's move to next slide. First one, nose. Nose. ಮೂಗು. ಮೂಗು. Mouth. Mouth. ಬಾಯಿ. ಬಾಯಿ. Teeth. Teeth. ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು is a plural form, and for single teeth what do we call? Tooth. For that in Kannada we say as hallu. Lip. Lip. ತುಟಿ. ತುಟಿ. Tongue. Tongue. ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ನಾಲಿಗೆ. Mustache. Mustache. ಮೀಸೆ. ಮೀಸೆ. Beard. Beard. ಗಡ್ಡ. ಗಡ್ಡ. Throat. Throat. ಕಂಠ. ಕಂಠ. Let's move to the next slide. Parts of the body we call as ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು. Everyone, please repeat after me to practice. Neck. Neck. ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ. ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ. Shoulder. Shoulder. ಭುಜ. ಭುಜ. Hand. Hand. ಕೈ. ಕೈ. Armpit. Armpit. ಕಂಕುಳ. ಕಂಕುಳ. Elbow. Elbow. ಮೊಣಕೈ. ಮೊಣಕೈ. Wrist. Wrist. ಮಣಿಕಟ್ಟು. ಮಣಿಕಟ್ಟು. Palm. Palm. ಹಸ್ತ. ಹಸ್ತ. Finger. Finger. ಬೆರಳು. ಬೆರಳು. So this is the end of the learning session. Now let's have some Match the following just to check how much you have learnt. So let's have some exercise. See, in the first column we have hane, hane, ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು, ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು, ಕೂದಲು, ಕೂದಲು. Fourth, ಮೂಗು, ಮೂಗು. Fifth, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. Sixth, ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ನಾಲಿಗೆ. In the second column, we have in the English form, that is eyes, nose, tongue, forehead, hair and teeth. Now you can pause the video and do the match the following. Then you can start checking the answers. Okay. So now let's check the answers. First one is hane. What do we mean by hane? Forehead. What it is? Hane means forehead. Second, kannugalu. Kannugalu means, yes, correct, eyes. Eyes. Third, ಕೂದಲು. ಕೂದಲು. What do we mean by ಕೂದಲು? Hair. Hair. Next, fourth, ಮೂಗು. ಮೂಗು. ಮೂಗು means, yes, nose. Nose. Fifth one, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು is tooth plural. Answer is teeth. Last, sixth one, ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ನಾಲಿಗೆ. So which is left now? Tongue. So answer is tongue. Okay, you can check your answers and write the answer, how many answers you have done correct in the comment section. We have one more slide for the match the following. Let's try this one also. So what we have in the first column, me say, me say. Second, kuttige, kuttige. ಬೆರಳು, ಬೆರಳು. Fourth, ಕೈ, ಕೈ. Fifth, ಭುಜ, ಭುಜ. Sixth, ಮೊಣಕೈ, ಮೊಣಕೈ. So in the second column we have neck, hand, elbow, mustache, finger, shoulder. Now again you can pause the video and write the answers. Then once you are done with the answer, now let's check the answers. So first word is me say. Me say means answer also starts with ma only. That is mustache. Me say mustache. Second, kuttige. Kuttige means, what do you mean by kuttige? Neck. Yes, neck. Third, beralu. Beralu. Beralu means finger. Correct. Fourth is kai. Kai means, what do we do with the kai? We eat. That is hand. Fifth one, bhuja. Bhuja. Bhuja means shoulder. So we are left with one answer, monakai, that is elbow. Monakai, elbow. So this is the end of the today's session. I hope you all have done great. So you can just comment whatever you have done with the answers. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.